Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. It's hot outside and you want something refreshing. Now today I'm going to show you a fun and tasty recipe of milkshake with a twist of berries. Let's get started. So when it comes to making milkshake, the most important ingredients is the whole milk and vanilla ice cream. If you want to enhance your vanilla flavor, you can add Lato vanilla flavored milk. If you want to enhance your chocolate milkshake or your strawberry milkshake, add chocolate or strawberry flavored milk. To make 1 glass of milkshake, you need 4 big scoops of ice cream and about 50 ml of Lato vanilla flavored milk. If you feel the milkshake is too light, add more ice cream. And here it is. Enjoy your vanilla ice cream milkshake.